G'day! Stu from UAV Futures here. Welcome back to the channel. I should say welcome back to myself. And today we have probably the biggest announcement I have ever made on the channel. Get ready, get set to lose your minds. We're going to be going through, I guess, talking about some of the details, where I've been and what is coming up. You're going to have to forgive me because I don't have my computer at the moment. It's a long story that we are going to get into a little bit later in the video, but essentially I'm filming this on my phone, zero editing, so shout out to all those people who have been waiting and expecting some of my amazing editing. This is what you're getting today because you guys do deserve an update. I've got to try and keep this camera a little bit still, but where have I been? What is going on? What announcement are you talking about? All that sort of stuff. So number one, where have I been? Well, and what's going on? The big announcement is we are moving, and FPV headquarters is going to be like absolutely next level. Like, I can't wait to just show you guys and give you some more details, all that sort of stuff. But we were living down in the southern part of Australia. So for those of you who don't know, the international audience, the weather down there, let me just say, it absolutely sucks. I don't know how many times, I don't know, for someone who loves drones so much, and that's where I fell in love with drones, but the amount of days where I couldn't get out, I couldn't get flying, just trying to go to the local park or something like that was ruined by rain, by weather, by crazy winds. It is absolutely ridiculous. Wingman Tony used to say, this is the windiest place he has ever been, and he's lived all over the world. So anyway, we decided, well, we want some better weather before the kids start going to school, all that sort of stuff. We've talked about moving before, and I'm absolutely sweating up here. It's the middle of winter, right? Actually, it's the first day of spring, I should say, so winter has just ended. But we moved, it's about 1,500 miles or 2,000 kilometers north. So we used to live down near Melbourne. We've gone 2,000 kilometers closer to the equator, and the weather here is so much nicer. I've only worn shorts for the last, I guess, 6 weeks or something. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm currently at my parents' house. We're sort of crashing there for a little bit while we found a place to live. We sold up everything down in where we used to live down in Geelong, but now we're moving up here and in a totally different state, and I can't wait to bring you guys along because what we have is basically FPV headquarters. Now, we've gone a little bit rural. We're going to be getting a place with some land where I can fly. I can do so many amazing things. There's so many contacts up here that I can't wait to talk drone related. Drone racing, UAV Futures is back, and it is going to absolutely smash it. So thank you so much for all those people who have stood by me, stuck by me, who have stayed as my Patreon. It is truly a blessing, and thank you so much for all the people on Discord, the live stream crew. You guys know who you are, the UAV Futures crew. Let me say that the end of 2021 and 2022, I have never been more excited about drones and FPV and what we're going to be able to do here. So I know we've had a big hiatus and struggling with a few things in the past and mental health and the weather and all that sort of stuff down there. But let me say, 2020, the end of 2021, start of 2022 and onwards, it is going to be absolutely next level. So you wait, it is going to be better than, I would say, the golden days when we first started making build videos. All our flights, everything like that. We're still going to do some live streams, but expect so much more content, so many special things. There's like been a few things behind the scenes as well I've been working on. At the moment, I don't even have my computer here, so that's driving me crazy, which is why I currently have the good old laptop, which has nothing installed on it, and my phone. I thought this is just going to be easier. But let me tell you, if you've been waiting for the return of UAV Futures to get straight back into videos, if you want to learn about drone racing, going out, there's some really cool future tech here that I can't wait to show you guys as well. Some really big companies we can get in, chat about FPV, chatting about drones, learning about them, how to build them, how to fly them, how to have fun with them. There's also, I've met some other locals up here flying around with those. I know a huge shout out to Raven FPV. He's been on the stream a few times. He lives up here as well, so that's going to be awesome to be able to catch up and fly with him. And just to be able to do so much, like truly, it's going to be a UAV Futures headquarters like the drone world has never seen before. So anyway, I wanted to fill you guys in. We still don't move in. We've still got like, this is the start of the month here. What is this? September. So we move in around the start of next month. So we've still got a little bit over a month till we can finally move in. But it is all, I guess, done and dusted and underway. We just need to wait now for the settlement to conclude, and then we are boom shakalaka, Shaquille O'Neal, Bob's your uncle, whatever you want to say. FPV is back, baby. UAV Futures has come back with a vengeance, and expect to get very, very excited. I'm very, very excited. You can clip that, kids. That one's for you as well. But yeah, I just can't wait to bring you along. And a big part two, thank you so much for everybody who still believes in the channel, because I really haven't posted much in at least the last 6 weeks, or, you know, especially when it comes to drone related videos. And I do apologize for that. But at the same time, I was getting, you know, basically getting my stuff together. And also, it's been a lot of work. There's been an awful lot of work behind the scenes to make this happen, to sort of chase the dreams. And I'm a big believer of these little crazy flying drones changing people's lives. And we've made a big shift. We've gone north. We can't wait. And, well, we're here now. We're 2,000 kilometers north. And it is going to be absolutely amazing. Like, there's some things I don't want to spoil for you, and they're in the works, and it's well underway, and it is going to be next level. So expect heaps of reviews, heaps of flight footage, heaps of interviews, catch-ups, some special things as well, which I can't even talk about right here, but it is going to be absolutely... I've got to get better at holding this. I don't even have any of my camera equipment or anything like that, but it's going to be next level. Stay tuned. I'll try and keep you guys posted. But definitely by the end of next month, it should be well underway, rocking and rolling. Let me know what you guys think. Drop your comments down below if you've been around for a while, or if you're just getting into flying and you sent me an email as well. I am sorry I haven't replied to those emails. I've had so many emails from conveyancers and lawyers and all the sort of stuff that goes through when you're selling house. And then trying to pack a house up in it, because we had to leave because of the COVID and that sort of stuff as well. Trying to pack a house up interstate and getting other people to do that stuff for you. That has been a logistical nightmare, but we are here. It's getting better every day, and I truly, you guys are going to lose your minds when we do some announcements and some of the things that are going to be coming to the channel starting pretty soon. So on that, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying. Look at that, no editing. I just got to press this button and we should be done.